first prof firm to join with. Since then, I was more of stocks way back when I was in Canada.
Put the mic right up by your.
Yeah, that was 2008. But I decided to get back home 28 and before the pandemic, which we don't expect pandemic hit the whole world, and it happens. It gives us more avenues, more things to analyze how we could make something good, not for ourselves, but for for our whole family as well. To give you a brief idea, technically I'm a civil engineer by profession, but the things changed a lot for me when I have this Apex funding trader, a prop firm that's in which it would give you definite, I could say, breakthrough once you follow the simple rules, adhering all the process, applying the proper risk management, not thinking so much of the profit that you need to gain daily, but to make it consistent. One or two contracts is good enough. It's not an easy task, it's not an easy journey for each one of us, but with good habit, proper discipline, definitely you would make it. And I'm so proud with Apex because this is the first prop firm that I've been joined. And for almost a month trading, when I started my what do you call this, evaluation, actually I made it within 6 days because I have a trading plan. Although you could make it in just 1 day, but I don't want to make so much because giving you so much of excitement would sometimes definitely goes you towards the wrong way. Making a good plan and stick with the plan. If you lose that day, stop it. Leave your computer, make something that what really does makes you happy every day, and then go back again tomorrow. Make it sure, stick with the rules, and everything would follow as what Robely said. Everything would follow once you follow the simple rules. And I'm so glad that hoping next week it would hit my account, and it's the first one, which I was surprised yesterday when I woke up in the morning. I have some tears because of what I had. I know it's not an easy because it takes me so much time to study. It burns me a lot of money in the process of, because I came from a forex. It's really hard. I know it's not an easy, but with the proper discipline, definitely we would overcome what we had. And again, thank you for coming. This is a special event, and for sure, this is not the only one event that Apex is planning to have in the Philippines. If we could have it region-wide, and we are so glad to help with Apex disseminating the good information on how to make your life change. Because definitely it would make your life better. And it's not only for you, as I said, it would only help as well with your family. Because you could also transfer this knowledge towards your kids, your family friends, and any relatives who are willing to make a good study. I hope I could inspire as well with those others. All those rewards that we have, definitely it's a result of how we should be well disciplined and be consistent. Because definitely there is, like Apex, which is funding us, especially for those who are technically inclined and willing to learn the process. Okay? And again, thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you, Russell. In fact, again, you see the major theme between these traders who are consistently withdrawing is basically discipline, and they have a trading plan. When I met Russell and I saw how he's trading, I was seeing, wow, I was impressed by his numbers. I think your daily goal is what, 3,000 a day? Or was it, what is it?
Yesterday, about 5,000.
You made 5,000 in 1 day. He's trading 3 E-mini contracts on NQ, and I see he has a trading plan, which is good. Again, if you can get a trading plan, you can get it on the internet. I don't know how the trading plan he has right now, but that's what he's doing, and that's what he's doing consistently, and you can see it's paying out.